What is going on, everybody? Carver Seller here, and I went out and finally got me a Challenge 16 Absolute Football Blaster Box. A little late to the party on this product, but finally went out and got me one of these. So I actually got two of them, so I'll have two different videos of this product. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this open and see what we can get. See what we can get. I'm more interested in picking up the Challenge 16 Prism product. From what I've seen, those cards look really sick looking. Definitely gonna have to get my hands on a couple boxes of those pretty soon. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we get. We got 8 packs, 8 cards per pack in this product. So let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, I can't believe I didn't pick up these cards sooner, but at least we're finally getting to them now. Better late than never. I believe the inserts are on the front of these cards, front of the packs. We got DeAngelo Williams, Red Zone. Nice looking card. Those are sick looking. AJ Green, Colin Kaepernick, Demaryius Thomas, Tavon Austin, Dion Lewis, Marcus Mariota, and Robert Griffin III. No guarantees in this product, so just going to be some base and some inserts, some rookies. We got Unsung Heroes, Ezekiel Anza, Jordan Reed, LaShawn McCoy, Allen Robinson, Adrian Peterson, J.J. Watt. Hopefully he can have a bounce back season next year if he is available next year. Matthew Stafford and Melvin Gordon having a really good year. Keep it going. Odell Beckham Extreme Team. These cards are actually, the inserts are really cool looking. Mike Evans, Brock Osweiler, Jamal Charles, Todd Gurley, not playing so well this year after that amazing season last year. Brandon Marshall, Tony Romo, and Brandon Cooks. How about them Cowboys, though, without Tony Romo as their quarterback, man? Two rookies are going off. Well, the whole team is playing well, but the rookies are definitely leading the charge. Looks like we got an Eli Apple Blue rookie. Not numbered, that's just blue parallel. We got Joe Flacco, Carlos Hyde, Von Miller, Eli Manning, Gronk, DeMarco Murray, and Luke Kuechly. Nice. I really like the designs on these cards. Don't really like the fact that the insert's always first, but I guess they've tried to package it a little bit different. So, I guess you can't get mad about that. Trying to be different. Red Zone, Eli Manning, Sammy Watkins, Andrew Luck, Stephon Diggs, Big Ben, Amir Abdullah, Travis Benjamin, Carson Palmer. I've got 3 more packs left. We got a rookie roundup, Sterling Shepard. That's pretty cool looking. Drew Brees, Lamar Miller, Jordy Nelson, Sam Bradford. Oh, took 2 cards there. Tom Brady, Dez Bryant, Cam Newton, we got one more pack after this. Alright, we're back, guys. Camera cut out there for a second, but we're on to our second to last pack. We got one more pack of this. We got a Le'Veon Bell Extreme Team, Torrey Smith, Ryan Fitzpatrick, OBJ, Ryan Tannehill, DGB, Matt Ryan, and Duke Johnson. Alright, we got one more pack. Looking for some last pack mojo, maybe? Got a T.Y. Hilton blue, I believe. Yeah, blue foil. Jameis, Frank Gore, Aaron Rodgers, Justin Forsett, Ezekiel Ansah, Derek Carr, having a really good season so far with the Raiders, and David Johnson. So you get some pretty nice inserts, some nice base cards, some, well, I pulled a couple blue foils out of here, so a couple rookie cards, so not too bad. Not too bad of a product. Besides not being there anything guaranteed, but nothing's really guaranteed in the blaster box, so if you were lucky enough to pull some hits out of this, that'd be pretty sweet, as long to go with all the inserts and rookies and base cards that you get. So pretty nice product, I think. I really like the product, and I still got one more box of this. But that's been it for this video, guys, and this has been Carlos. I hope you guys enjoyed.